Okay, a quick history before we get into the video. 18 days ago I did a full renovation of this Tiff Tough lawn, which will be part of a video that I'm going to be presenting in the next few weeks once everything's recovered, because I want to show you the whole process start to finish and everything that I did. And it really is surprising, the results. This was 18 days ago and this is what it looks like now, so it's doing very well. A week after the reno, this is what it looked like, and we put down some launch and root builder for health and condition. Did a bit of rolling and a bit of evening out, and lightly watering a few times a day to promote growth, which brings us to 2 weeks. And I did a charger and root builder application, both at low levels, 200 mils of charger, 50 mils of root builder, to promote rapid leaf growth and colour. Okay, so we're about 18 days since renovation. As you can see, the everything's starting to fill in. It's still a little bit too patchy for mowing with the cylinder because we've got that sand exposed. We don't want that in the blades. You can wet it down, but first mows should use a rotary. We're also going to do some edging because it's all a bit fluffy around the edging. There's no point having all that extra growth over the edges and wasting nutrients. We just want to keep it all within the grass area. So all this is going to come up in a masterclass anyway, so all good. So first thing we'll do is the edging.
Edging before mowing is a routine that you should really get into, and what I fully recommend, simply because after you've done the edging and got that nice and neat and blowing your material onto the lawn, you can suck it up with the mowing. Lawns just look better with a nice neat edge.
Going to use this, which is the rotary scissors, to cut the height down that's in the corners here now.
You can use the whippersnipper for this as well, but using the rotary scissors really gives a neat cut, and it's just so much easier to get into those little corners and little crevices. The rotary cut is so much more precise than whippersnipper, weed whack, whatever you want to call it, and it just is much healthier for the grass too. We've used Ego products for a number of years now to look after my edges and get my lawn ready for the mowing. For mowing, I chose the mower that could go the lowest that I've got in the rotary, which is 11 millimeters. This is the Wavang rotary, that'll do that. And the first mows that you should be doing on a renovated lawn with the sand exposed should be a rotary. If you get sand in your blades, that's not going to be good for your cylinder mowers at all. The aim here with mowing at this stage is to get the lawn to laterally thicken up and fill in those spare patches. And you can see here, obviously, that rotary mowers do really well with couch lawns at a low level. Mowing often with the rotary and then occasionally looking after your thatch levers with the vertical mow will deliver great results.
And that's how much we got. Quite a bit. That cut will send the grass to grow laterally rather than vertically. Start covering in those bare spots. Get your lawn on. See you in the next one.